Your father may be gone, but your future must survive.
Mama, please don't sell it.
A ring cannot change my life, but education can change yours. That was the last thing she owned.
And the Young Achiever of the Year award goes to Tola Adeyemi. Thank you all so much.
Years later, the little boy who studied under candlelight became the pride of the nation.
Madam, you can't enter here.
Please, I only came to see my son.
Mama, this woman sold Akara so I could stand here today. Everything I am belongs to her.
She sold Akara not because she loved it, but because her son had a dream.
A lot of creators are having so many challenges to create a longer video ever since Croc AI has now become pro. So what if I told you that there is a way in which you can still generate a longer video using a free AI tool that I'm about to share with you in today's video? Just stick around because this is not one of those videos you've been seeing. This is just actually what is working, and I'm going to walk you out from the prompting to the image generation. First of all, we are going to be using ChatGPT for our prompts. A lot of you watch my video without liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please, those likes, those comments, those shares, it actually helps YouTube to push my video more further to people. Please don't forget to always like and subscribe. The title already has strong emotion pull. She's so excited to send him to school, and you won't believe what happened. The best way to make this story go viral is emotional sacrifice, poverty struggle, betrayal, or shocking twist, powerful ending, cinematic dialogue. Here is a filmmaker style breakdown for your video. She sold Akara to send him to school, and you won't believe what happened. That's the title. So if you don't have any title idea, you can actually tell ChatGPT in your prompt to help you with 10 or 5 amazing prompts, sorry, amazing title for you to actually pick the one that best suits your style. Alright. So this is the visual that we need for our video. Rain falling, woman sweating, young boy. But every Akara she sold was another chance for her son to escape poverty. Caught quickly to a rich man slamming money. Then the mother crying. These are the main character. Mama Tola, hardworking widow. She sells Akara every morning. Tola, brilliant young boy. And this is the scene. This is the image prompt for our video. Guys, I'm going to copy all those prompts and paste it on my notepad. This way is going to make it easy for me to always come here and copy it. So I'll come to my notepad. I'll click on the plus sign here. I'm going to click here to paste in my prompt. Alright, so after pasting my prompt, let's go back. After pasting my prompt, first of all, we need to generate an images for our videos. I'm just going to go ahead and start Anchor and copy this. Alright, copy. I'll come here. I'll copy this and copy the remaining one. So just head over to your browser. So you can use Wix AI for your image generation. You can generate your image on Flow. I won't be generating my image using this free AI tool, Image FX. Alright. So when I come here, I'm going to click here. So when I click here, I'm just going to wait for it to load up. This is what you are going to see when you come into this website. So I've actually done a couple of work here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on new project. So when you click on new project, you are going to be seeing where you can paste in your prompt for you to start generating your video. So when you come here, you click on video. We are going to be changing this to image because right now we want to generate an image. So I'm going to be using 16:9 aspect ratio because I'm posting it on my TikTok. We have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Image Gen for your image generation. So this place here is the output. If you need 4 images at a time, if you need 1 image at a time, if you need two, so I'm just going to be leaving it at 2 images at a time. So I will just go ahead and paste in my first prompt, which is this. So I'll just go ahead and click here to generate our image. So like I said, I will be posting this to resume later. All right, so this is the image that we've gotten. All right, just for you to know the one you actually want to use. For me, I'm just gonna pick one of those images. I feel like I'm cool with this one. I'll just go ahead and click here to download the image to my phone. So if I want to reuse prompt, I can actually click here to reuse it. If I want to animate, so for me, I just want to go ahead and download this image to my phone. You can always pick one out of the two. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and paste in my second prompt, which is this. So maybe I'll just be posting this and finish creating our video because I don't want this video to be that long. After you're done creating your image, you can see that ChatGPT actually generates video prompt from scene 1 to scene 5. Remember, we have 5 images for 5 scene, and these are the video prompt for the 5 scene. So what I will need to do just to first of all copy the video prompt for scene 1. You can see mama frying akara by roadside very early in the morning, rain, car passing, young toddler arranging sachet water nearby. So these are the visual. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. This is AI, so you don't need to really copy too much so that the AI will not end up saying rubbish. Okay, so I'm just going to copy from here to here. Okay, I think I should put in the customer side. Let's say I need 200 naira own. All right, so I'm going to copy from here to there, and I'll hit copy. So when I hit copy, I'm just going to go back to the Flow AI. So this time around, we are done with our image generation. We are done creating all the images that we need to use. So when you come here, you're going to be seeing a lot of images that we just created for this video. Can you see? So these are all the images we just created. So I'm just going to come back here to go back. Sorry, I'm just going to click. Let's go. I'm just going to click here to go back. So when you come here, you go ahead and click on new project. So when you come on new project, click here to bring in the image. Remember, in this prompt, it's just the mama aspect that we copy. We've not copied the part where Tola, which is the son, need to talk. All right, so I'll just come here and select mama image. I'm just confused about the image I want to choose. Maybe I should go ahead and click on this one. So when I click here and bring in the image, you need to click here. Right now we are going to be changing this to video because we want to create a video. So you can see the frames. I'm going to be leaving it at 16.9 aspect ratio. So each generation that you use, if you are using 2 images, each of them costs you 20 credit. So if you are using 4, it costs you 80. So one generation costs 20 credit. So you are going to see view 3 live, view 3.1. So I'm going to leave it at view 3.1 fast. So I'm just going to come here and paste in my prompt. All right, so when I paste in my prompt, I'm just going to go ahead and hit here to generate our video. So our video is successfully created, and I just go to ChatGPT and paste in the remaining prompt. So this work the same as Grok AI. So you just need to continue pasting your prompt. Make sure that you always use your prompt for each scene, and you continue like that to create all your video, because I want to be doing the creation of the video
for all the 5 scenes. Trust me, this video will be long. So if maybe you are using one prompt and it does not give you what you want, you can actually regenerate that video to get what you want. You know that this is AI, right? Sometimes when you paste in the prompt, try to say mama say, Tola say, the part where the character need to talk, say, so that so that this AI will know that mama will not say what Tola is supposed to say. So that is basically how this thing works. So after everything, if you have still watched up to this moment, congratulations to you. And if you want me to make a video where multiple character talk or something, I think I have that part in this video. So you just chill and enjoy the video.
After you are done generating your video, you need to head over to your editing app. You can use any preferred editing app of your choice. But for this, I will be using my InShot. You click on video, you bring in the video. Make sure you bring them from the part like how it actually started, right? I'm not going to be picking all of this, right? Start from the last to the beginning, but that was how we generated a video. And just click here. So when you come here, this is where everything you did on the Flow app start making sense, because you need to come here and put them all together. Remember, this side has a watermark view, but I'm not sure it's really a problem. But if you don't want anything to sabotage your channel, you can actually cover this with a sticker. So I'm just going to be clicking here, click on stickers. I can be using something like maybe subscribe button or even the likes. And I'll be searching for sticker here and choose the one I want to use. Okay, so we go ahead and use that, and that is that for that. Use the share. I'll drag it to fit into the space.